What is up? It's your boy here bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got an informational one. So a lot of the times we do modification videos on this truck and we try to go for fashion, something that's appealing to the eye, something that looks cool. But today we got functional modifications, 3 functional modifications you need for your Toyota Tacoma. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So let's start off with leaving an early like, a comment, and a subscription. Everything you see in this video will be linked in the description box below, so pick it up if you would like to. Let's get started with number one. Number one are these LED headlights that I've recently installed. These, you actually get a 15% discount code if you use code Aing, which is actually pretty sick, my first ever coupon code. So it'd be nice if you used it. On my last 3 Tacomas, I never did it, and I always wanted to. I was always so scared. I didn't know what LEDs to go with. Like, what if they mess something up? Or what if I spend money on them and they just don't hold up? And that was my biggest fear. Thankfully, I've been using these for quite some time now and they held up perfectly fine. They're awesome. These are actual functional mods, not like blacking out your Tacoma badges. Spending $30 on dividers. Don't even get me started on these grab handles. With this truck, I definitely want to go for things that are more beneficial to me, things that will work for this truck and its everyday use. Now, those LED lights are perfect. Right now in Virginia, it gets dark at like 2 in the afternoon. I get out of work at like 4:35. When I want to go out to eat some dinner, it's already pitch black dark. With these LEDs, now I can see. Number 2, we got to close this door. Number 2 comes right back here. Now, you may know what this is. You may not if you haven't seen those videos where I struggled, where I drove to many Walmarts to pick up a bunch of doorstep. The bed mat. The bed mat is a must. The bed mat is awesome and it's worth every penny. I picked this one up for $80. Look around, check around your local dealerships. They do sell them for cheap. I know some people pay $120, $140. I saw one guy say he got his for $160. So literally half the price. It is the single best modification you can do in the bed of this Tacoma. I have not met anything, I have not seen anything better, like ever. Like that bike right there, we're pulling it, we use one bungee cord and literally the traction that this thing provides doesn't let it slip. And last but not least, oh look, you can see Sandy. Last but not least, the bed cover. The bed cover is another thing that I'm so grateful for. This thing is sick. I recently just got this and I've used it every day and I've regretted not owning it on any of my other trucks. Now I know I'm bragging a lot about these things, but this thing is a lifesaver. So everything that I keep back here, none of it would be even close to as functional without it. Like everything ties in, everything makes it perfect. Especially if you get one of those locking tailgates, which now that I'm talking about it, maybe I'll get. If you get that locking tailgate, you'll be able to keep this absolutely 100% secure. You get this thing and you no longer have to use the inside of your truck as storage. You can just use it as passenger space, which should be what it's used for. Whenever I go grocery shopping, whenever I use this truck as my daily, I just pop open the trunk, close everything down, and then I'm good to go. These two combined are like the perfect combo back here. Some people get the more seamless one where it's like completely flat. You can get a hard top one. I really like the idea of a roll up. Right now we have that bike and it kind of has to go sideways versus just going in all the way flat. Something to consider, but nonetheless, this one works perfectly. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. Those are my 3 most functional modifications that I've done to the Toyota Tacoma as of yet. If you haven't done any of these already, go check them out in the description. Price them out. Christmas is coming. You get a gift and you help me out with a little bit of a commission. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Mayo. Peace.